Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Vamos a ver lo que encontramos de bueno para estas fiestas. Oye, qué cosa tan rara. Video Kids. Woodpeckers from the Space. Los pájaros carpinteros desde el espacio. Y lo nuevo de Visage. Oye, esto debe estar bien, ¿eh? Vamos a ver de qué va esto. Porque esto sin duda que merece la pena. Vamos a ver. Video Kids.
Hey man! Watch out! It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. The dark outside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. But this time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. It was a funny-looking bird, and he stood right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me.